Hey everybody, good to see you today. I'm going to do an unboxing for Stitchfix for Men, and this is something that I've seen Ann do several times, unboxings for makeup and things like that. This isn't makeup, this is actually a box that has men's clothing in it, and so it's really a neat program. You sign up for an unboxing, you get to show the clothes online, and if you like anything, well, you get to buy it or send it back if it's something you don't like, and that's kind of cool because sometimes we get things we don't like, right? We want to send it back. So I'm going to open the box and we're going to go through this box as we unbox it and see what's in here today. All right, so got my handy dandy box cutter. All right, so it comes with a bag that you can send back the clothes that you don't like and that you don't want. I'm going to lay this over here so we don't use this unless, I want to keep everything. We'll see what happens. So, all right. So in this box, comes neatly wrapped in the in this packaging, and so we'll take these out one at a time. All right. So in here, we give you different types of clothing, and we have a neat little T-shirt here with multicolors on it. So you like that? It's kind of cool. It's kind of heavy. It's a cotton blend. If you can feel it, it looks comfortable. It's got a little thicker T-shirt than some of the ones that you get in the store. And so it's made in Peru. That's kind of cool. So kind of a neat T-shirt. I like the colors on it. We'll see what that looks like. We're going to try these on in a minute. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. Okay. So here's another shirt, and it's a short sleeve collared shirt. This is actually kind of the style that I typically wear a lot, with a short sleeve and a collar as I am in my profession. There you go. It's got a reddish pink tint to it. I don't know if I'm crazy about the color, just to be honest. Oh, here's one with, this is a button up, and it's got palm trees on it, right? It's yellow, yellow stripe up and down. It's got palm trees on it. My wife is looking at it going, yes, this is going to be a keeper. I can imagine wearing this on a cruise, just to be honest with you. Okay?
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely. So we'll just say we're going on a couple of those soon as the cruise industry is getting back into play. All right, got a couple of pairs of pants. Oh, here's a pair of shorts. These are interesting. They got a different feel to them, very thick, kind of mix between athletic and just a comfort short. I don't know what the appropriate title is for those, but it is an all-day, everyday short. And so all day, every day. And these are really thick, but they're really comfortable. It's got a really easy cotton blend to them. So interesting to see what those feel like as we put them on. They're heavy, though. They're heavier than you would think about your normal shorts. And then here's a pair of pants. These are relaxed straight leg pants. From Mavi, and just they're not jean material, but they feel pretty comfortable. They have a relaxed straight leg to them, so we will see what these feel like as we have them on. They actually are a denim pants, but not in jeans, and so it's got a different type of feel to them. So anyway,
and so what is the waist and length?
The waist is 38-32, which is a little bit. I'm down to a 36 now, but we'll see how they fit. 32 is the right length. Although when you get older, you shrink. All right, come on, guys, you can relate. And so we'll see how these look, but look and feel.
Okay, well, your stylist is Lindsay.
Hi,
and
Lindsay.
She says, "Hey, Kevin, and welcome to Stitchfix. I spent some time going over your profile notes to create what I hope will be a complete collection for you today. Even though someone else completed your profile, I would encourage you, that somebody else was me, I would encourage you to leave feedback upon checkout in terms of what you liked and didn't like about each item so that I can make any adjustments to ensure the best possible assortments for you each and every time. As it is listed that you dress business casual with plenty of workout gear, I went for a variety assortment for no matter what life has in store. Now, let's unpack. I started things off with this yellow short sleeve shirt for an easy and polished summer staple.
Yeah, that's it.
Try it on with this pair of relaxed fit pants for work. I also added some great active wear with a pair of versatile shorts for any situation this season. Cheers, Lindsay. Okay, so let's go on to that first outfit.
You do Stitch Stitchfix. You fill out a profile and put different things about the way that you live, your style, activities that you do. And my wife, who is the expert at me, went on there and filled that out, and so that's where these articles of clothing came. So I'm going to go try these on, and I'll be back in just a minute. All right? All right, I'm back. Here is the first outfit, and I got the pants on. Pretty comfy, but they are a little big, and so I had to put a belt on, and so the 38, fortunately, the 38 is too big. That is a good thing, so I'm feeling good about myself today. So a 36, 32 would have been exactly right, because the length on these is, it feels perfect. The actual...
But when I filled this out,
right,
you were a 38, 32, and you have done so great.
Right, so we've been eating healthy, we've been doing keto, or carb conscious, and so I've lost a little bit of weight, which is good. But these things are really comfortable. The feel to them is it's a light denim. It doesn't feel like jeans, as heavy as jeans are, but pretty cool. I really like the color. I don't have a pair of pants like this, so I wouldn't mind. Unfortunately, they are too big, but I wouldn't mind keeping them. I do like the shirt though. This shirt is comfortable. It feels, I mean, like perfect sizing and everything. This is kind of how I've been dressing in like business casual, shirt untucked, kind of going around. Don't want to be sloppy. You could also tuck this in and be able to wear it with a nice pair of shoes and be a little bit not just business casual, but maybe even almost to business professional. And so, anyway, really like.
Okay, so your top is a Bigsby Nomad.
Okay.
Odyssey short sleeve washed yellow in an extra large.
I like the palm trees.
And the cost is $48.
Oh, that might be a keeper.
Okay.
I might have to look at that.
And then your pants are by Mavi.
Mavi.
And they're a matte relaxed fit pant, khaki color.
Yep.
Size 38, $98.
Wow, that's
okay, so we'll have to take a look.
That is
all right. Next outfit.
That's a little bit more than we usually spend for pants, but these are nice though. They have a nice feel to them. All right, I'll be back in just a minute with the next outfit, a little bit more casual. See you soon. All right, we're back for the second outfit. This is the comfy shorts, the all-day shorts, and they are, like I said, they're comfortable. Pattern. They have a no belt loops or anything. It's more of a sport fit. They have a drawstring tie, which is good. These are also just a little big. They're 38s like the pants were, but because they have the drawstring, and they're kind of a sport fit. They feel pretty comfortable. They do have two pockets on either side with a zipper pocket, which is kind of interesting. I don't know if I like the zippers, just to be honest with you, but it does. If you're wearing it every day, you can, put the keys in there. They won't fall out if you're active or doing anything like that. And there's a pocket on the back, a couple of pockets with no zippers. And so, anyway, that's a comfortable shirt. I would wear this shirt. It's a pretty shirt. I like the colors on it. It's very light. You can move around in it. No big deal. It's pretty comfortable. Here in Florida, it gets kind of warm. So you look for light colors. That might not be a bad thing. So, Ann, tell us how much the shirt is.
All right, the shirt is an even-tied chest block printed striped crew, color in white, extra large is, take a guess, how much do you think?
$38.
$34.
Man, that was close.
That was pretty close. And then your shorts are a public rec, all day, every day short, 10 inches, navy, size 38,
yep.
And they are, how much do you think?
$55.
$68.
More expensive. Okay.
All right.
Well, they're pretty cool. They're pretty comfortable. I think they're a little big, so I don't know if we're going to keep these or not. But these are, if they were my size, we may be talking seriously about it. Okay. All right. We'll be right back. Got one more shirt to try on. All right. And this is the last shirt that they sent us. I kept the all-day shorts on because I kind of like them. They're pretty comfy. And so this shirt is very, very light. This polo. It really does kind of go along with what I normally wear for my job, being business casual. Got the button, I'm sure. This is so light though. I don't know how it would last during multiple washings. And so, but anyway, it's very comfortable. You breathe easy. Kind of just a normal polo shirt. I'm not crazy about the color. I don't know if I'd wear this color a lot, but who knows. So, honey, how much is this shirt?
This is by Flag and Anthem. And it's a Benny feeder stripe polo
Benny Feeder.
in red.
Okay.
It's
So
a-
it's not pink, guys. It's red. Just saying. Fix your computer colors there. Okay.
Okay, it says red, and it's in size extra large. And what is your guess for price?
So the other one, the palm tree shirt was 48. So this is probably going to be 45.
So this one is $34.50.
All right.
And then, of course, you have the purchase credit for your styling fee. So anything that you do purchase or we purchase with this order, they do take off that styling fee for $20, and the shipping is free.
All right. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, we'll be back in just a minute to wrap up. All right, we're back. Let's do a wrap up of some of the things that we saw today. So in the box, coming with the clothes, comes these other resources. There's a card here from Lindsay from Stitchfix that they give you some different ideas and options with pairings. Kind of cool for those of us who are fashionably challenged, right? And so learning a little bit about colors which go together, different looks. So I find this kind of cool. And then the things to do next. It says, welcome to Stitch Fix. Number one is decide what you want. Try everything on. Once you do that, you rate it, and that's what we're doing now, and then return anything that we don't like. So what are we going to return? Well, a couple of things. I'm going to hold on to this. This shirt by, was it Bixby? This is cool. I think this is a keeper at $48. I think we're going to go ahead and keep this. I like this. This will look good on my cruise coming up very soon. And so the pants, although we would have to talk seriously because I do like them. Unfortunately, they're the wrong size, and that's not Lindsay's fault. But we'll go ahead and return these, and maybe as we put in the right size, maybe next month or next quarter when the next Stitch Fix box comes in, we'll be able to try on the right size. I'm not crazy about the mauve. That's what it looks like to me, mauve. They call it red, but I think they're being gracious. I'm not crazy about that polo. I do like this, but it's a t-shirt, and it's pretty expensive for a t-shirt. So we're going to go ahead and return that. Thank you for that. These I really like. I wish they were in my right size, and so hopefully maybe we can get something like it in the next box, because these are all day, everyday shorts. And let me tell you something, I'd wear them all day, every day. These are nice shorts. But anyway, so we have a winner chicken dinner for this video. It's going to be the palm tree striped shirt. And if you'll pay attention to our blog with Traveling with the Lauters, you'll see this coming up very soon on a cruise. See you guys soon. Thanks for joining us today.